Well, hey guys, what's up? I thought I'd give you a little sound check on the Yoshi RS4 muffler here. Well, it's a full system on the CRF250L. I modified the Yoshi to be a little more quiet because, you know, I'll tell you what, it can be painfully loud. Let's do a little sound check here. Okay. All right, so every mic is going to be different, I guess, but if I could have a side-by-side comparison, which I don't, you would see that this is a lot quieter, more muffled than without the little modification that I did there. So it's no big deal, but what it does is it raises the back pressure a little bit, and that reduces the sound and it lowers the power band a little bit into the lower rev ranges. So it makes the bike more responsive in the low to mid range, which is exactly where you want the power on this bike anyway. You know, the way Yoshi designed this was to be very free, very, very open, but you know, the typical use for this bike is really on the trails or in town, you know, that type of thing. It's not a highway bike. It's not a, you know, it's not that bike. So would I say that the Yoshi RS4 is worth your money for a CRF250L? I guess I would say that it depends. It depends on whether you want, you know, to hear a better exhaust note, a louder note, and you want the maximum performance out of your bike. And if you do, then yes, it's probably a good idea. But it can be really loud. You know, the low volume insert helps, but it's not a complete solution for sure, because not only is it louder than what I've got here now with my little modification, but it also means that you can't use the spark arrestor. And when you use the spark arrestor, you can't use the low volume insert. So it's quite a bit louder with the spark arrestor in. So bottom line is, if you want to use the Yoshi RS4 on the CRF250L, but you don't like a obnoxiously loud exhaust note, then try my little mod. And yeah, if you've got any questions, comments, just let me know.